be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never...
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, let's go ahead and bring this one in. This took forever to get here. It's like I ordered it and then it's like the size disappeared from Nike. Then it said shipped, and then a week passes, the shoe never gets here. So then I hit Nike customer support and I say, yo, where are my shoes? So then they ship out another pair. And I guess the first pair that says was shipped is lost somewhere or never actually got shipped. I don't know. But this shoe should have been here weeks ago. But nonetheless, it is here. It is here right now. And as you can see, this box says Lebron on it, because you all know Big Roth is a proud member of the Bron gang. Alright, so as you can see, the LeBron logos there on the top, boom, on the side, boom, boom. These are the Nike Zoom LeBron 2, alright, colorway white midnight navy, and I got these bad boys in a size 14. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these, man. Better late than never is what I always say. Excuse me, Wishbone. I'm gonna drop this box down here. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very dope. Very dope. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The LeBron 2s. And although the official colorway for these is the midnight navy, these are the ones that LeBron wore in the Olympics. The Summer Olympics. I want to say this was 2004 when the US team got beat. I at least remember seeing them wearing them to practice. But these are the Olympic LeBron 2s. And these are very dope. Very, very dope. Alright, I like the color blocking. I like how you have the blue and then the white. It kind of reminds me, and I know two completely different shoes, alright? But the way that the color blocking is here kind of reminds me of the Jordan Olympic 7s. Just how you have the navy blue there and then the white, and it's broken down like that. It kind of reminds me of the Jordan Olympic 7s. Alright, I really like LeBron 2s. My problem with LeBron 2s, and if you follow my Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle, the problem that I have with that I had with LeBron 2s is that at the time of me doing that review, that sneaker battle for round 2, I only had the one pair of the LeBron 2s because they were so hard to come by. So I only had the all-star pair of the LeBron 2s, but now I have these. I have the white and gold version. You know what I mean? So I have more colors, and I really like the way that LeBron 2s fit. I also think that in terms of comfort, look at that cushion. That's one of the things about the Jordan 2s that I liked, is it has so much cushion. Look, Jordan 2s may be one of the most comfortable Jordans that there are. but people sleep on them because they're 2s and they don't really like how they look. But comfort wise, see how my voice went high? Comfort wise, Jordan 2s are tops on comfort. But anyway, looking at these, you see your red swoosh there. The leather is pretty soft. Everywhere that's white is the leather. It's pretty soft leather. It's not the softest of leather, but it's not tough either. And then on the strap, you see this strap here, Nike on the strap. All right. And then you also have the LeBron logo there. On the back of the shoe, LeBron right there. So you know what we gotta do. You know what we gotta do just real quick. We gotta bring out the right boy and see if it says anything different, which I do believe it does. Right shoe second. And on the right boy. Actually, it's the exact same. What? I thought the other one would say James. They both say LeBron. They fooled me. Both shoes say LeBron on the back. There is no difference. Is no difference. What's the difference on? Okay, here's where the difference is. On the strap, you just have the swoosh with the LeBron logo there. On the left one, you have the LeBron logo with Nike spelled all the way out. Okay, so there's the difference. Man, I thought there was a difference with the. Well, that's weird. That's crazy. Okay, on the tongue, there's a difference as well. So let me show you the right tongue. Take the strap off. On the tongue, you have Nike. If you all can see that, it says Nike on the tongue here. It's like they reversed it. There's Nike on the tongue here, and then on the tongue for this one, it's just the swoosh. Just the swoosh there. Alright. So let's see on the inside here. Both is the same. You have your LeBron logo there. Also on the right shoe. Alright, I thought there was going to be differences. I thought there was going to be a lot of differences. But it's not. On the inside, navy blue insole there. There's some red LeBron letterings on the inside. Boom. Nike swoosh here. Very nice white Nike swoosh. And then if I didn't show it before, another LeBron logo there. On the bottom, you have Zoom James in the swoosh. Swoosh there. James here at the top. Zoom over there. And let's see on the bottom. Do we switch it up? King on the bottom of the right. The Zoom in Nike. So there are some differences, but man, I thought they would have put the LeBron James there on the back. But they didn't. They didn't. But that's pretty much these, man. That is pretty much these. I like them a lot. I like LeBron 2s. I like them a lot, man. But what do you all think about these? And what do you think about these in relation to Jordan 2s? I know these are Jordan 2 lows, but this is the closest colorway that I had. What do you all think in comparison to LeBron 2s and Jordan 2s? Which one do you all like better? I know most people are going to say this one. Most people have been riding with Jordan since 1985, and they're not going to change their mind. But I like these. I like these a lot, and I'm glad that they were readily available for me to cop. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.